Access Financials with Access Workspace. Our next generation cloud platform. Powerful alone, but even better together. Manage your business finances all in one place. Everyone using the same data, integrated across your core business systems. Get what you need, when you need it. Core accounting, forecasting, reporting, invoicing, project costing and timesheets, budgeting, procurement, payroll and HR. Expenses, approvals quickly and easily with a single sign-in. With Access Workspace, you can use apps to find what you need quickly and easily. Customize, collaborate, and communicate. Work together. Unlock talent with Access People. Recruitment, HR, payroll, learning and development. Bring together powerful accounting software with easy-to-use mobile apps and Office integration. Easily upload and approve expenses wherever you are on any device. Automatically capture invoice data, reducing admin time. Take charge of the entire procurement process. Automate approval processes and keep control of costs with automated budget checks and commitment tracking. Give managers real-time view of project costs and profitability. Use online or mobile timesheets to quickly record time and expenses and give an up-to-date picture of work in progress. View all committed project costs, purchasing documents and invoices in one place for full visibility. See one set of data for reporting across your entire business, safe in the knowledge that data is accurate and up to date. Manage and report from every angle, branch, department, group, fund or project. With business software that works the way you want to work, you can have more time to do the jobs you're passionate about. The freedom to do more. Access Workspace. Stop working. Start smiling.